to worship and adore you. I come to you, I come to kneel before your throne. Lord, I come to seek your holy face and need your mercy and your grace. I come into your embrace. I'm humble
By your love,
come and hold me as a father. Come and love me
as a friend,
Help me know you as beloved one,
devoted
devoted
to
to
the end.
Lord, I come to you. I come to you to worship and adore
Adore
you.
you,
I come to you.
I come to you,
to
kneel before your
Lord,
throne.
I come to seek your
Holy face,
I need
your mercy and your grace.